love bubbles.
Amado!
Amado, they're over here.
Oh, wait, I'm just trying to get my...
Your piggy nose? That's a good idea. Whoa. Oh, you got the piggy nose on. That's cool. Good job. What are you doing, Lincoln? Okay. Okay, we better wait for Lincoln. I don't know how much. Nice piggy nose. Is it working? Can you get it on? Put it up your, maybe over your ears. The elastic part. It's a funny nose. You look great. You look like a piggy. What do pigs say?
I'm going.
You're funny. Wow, that was fast. He's quick. He's almost back.
Maybe you can watch Lincoln this time.
Well, watch him do what?
Do something things.
Do some things. What kind of
Where's
things?
your piggy?
Oh, thank you for tidying up. Excellent.
Piggy nose.
The piggy nose.
I'm crazy about. You watch Lincoln right now.
Okay.
I want to blow the bubble in the air.
You guys
Do the bubbly thing that you blow.
do the bubbly thing. I like that t-shirt, Boo Boo. That's a great one, though. I love the colors. Did they make a t-shirt? Amado made a t-shirt for me last year. What colors did we like on it, on the one from school?
You watch Lincoln right now. Amado!